Power. When I was teaching in DAV, there was a girl. She was not able to remember definition in English. Okay. तो मैंने उन्होंने बच्ची ने when I was explaining in English that the rate at which work is done is called power. The rate at which energy is transferred or the rate of transfer of energy per unit time is called the rate at which work is done is called power. So work done and energy both are same thing. The rate at which work is done is called power and the rate at which energy is transferred is called power. कल आप मेरा मुंडी काट दिए थे तो ध्यान रखिए, हम बोले थे किचन एरिया काटने के लिए सिर्फ, पेट नहीं दिखाना है. हाँ, लड़की वाला देखेगा तो सोचेगा ना पेट निकला होगा, तो थोड़ा सोचेगा अपनी बेटी को हमसे बियाह आने में. हाँ,
गोरा मुंह लेकर तो शादी कर देगा.
हे भगवान, फिर तुम रेसिज्म कर रही हो. तो काला लड़का होगा वो तुम पे केस फाइल कर देगा.
तो पतला होगा.
Who are doing racism in your class? अब बोलो. हाँ? Don't comment. Put some comment.
सर ये सब
और पता है, फिर देखो हम उधर चले जाएंगे. हम फिर सुदर्शनधारी का बात करने लगेंगे.
कीजिए सर.
और बोला आपको गोरा रंग जो होता है वो सबसे सुंदरता का प्रतीक
अरे
होता
नहीं,
है.
सुंदरता का प्रतीक नहीं होता, लेकिन मतलब इंडिया में ऐसे माना
आप
जाता है.
यदुवंशी हैं और भगवान कृष्ण काले हैं. बहुत सुंदर है वो. सबसे सुंदर इंसान दुनिया में पैदा ही नहीं हुआ अभी तक. इलेक्ट्रिक पावर, the work done per unit time. Work done per unit time. If you remember the formula, you will easily be able to remember the definition. अब वो बच्ची कैसे मुझे बोली थी, मैं वो बोल रहा हूँ. सर जिस रेट से एनर्जी का ट्रांसफर होता है उसे पावर कहते हैं. जरा बोल के बताइए.
जिस रेट से एनर्जी का ट्रांसफर होता है उसे पावर कहते हैं.
फर्स्ट टाइम दिमाग में जो जिस रेट से एनर्जी का ट्रांसफर होता है उसे पावर कहते हैं.
जिस रेट से एनर्जी का ट्रांसफर होता है उसे पावर कहते हैं.
जिस रेट से एनर्जी का ट्रांसफर होता है पावर कहते हैं.
हम नहीं बोलेंगे वहाँ
जिस रेट से एनर्जी का ट्रांसफर होता है उसे पावर कहते हैं.
याद हो गया.
The rate at which energy is transferred is called
पावर.
हाँ, तो power is equal to work done by time. अब इसे लिख सकते हैं energy by time too. Okay, so don't be confused. Somewhere you might see E by T. Okay, so don't be confused. E by T and W by T both are by similar by, जुड़वा by. Head शरीर एक ही है, head अलग है.
चोर चोर
बस.
मुझसे रे भाई.
Your W. Okay, so now cross multiply it. So P is in division in this side. So when it will come to RHS, then it will become
मल्टीप्लिकेशन.
in multiplication form. So W is equal to P into T. Power into time. Okay. Unit of power. Watt is equal to joule per second. Okay. 1 watt is equal to 1 joule per second. So joule per second or watt is the same thing. Okay. Rate of working of 1 joule per second is called 1 watt. Okay. Define 1 watt. Bigger unit. Hey, stop doing that. We don't need here anyone to clean that. We can do that. Don't do that. Study here. Okay. Okay. 1 unit. The power comes in like consumption of energy which you receive, Bijli bill or electricity bill, in which you get 1 unit is equal to 1 kilowatt hour. So that 1 unit is equal to 1 kilowatt hour. That is the unit of energy, not power. But if you will tell me what is that value of in 1 unit, that is 1 kilowatt. Okay, don't be confused. Kilowatt hour. Just today we have discussed this in the class, right? So kilowatt hour is the unit of energy. गांठ बांध लो, ठीक है? वो आंचल में मम्मी बांध के रखती है ना छोटा सा कीमती सा चीज. हाँ, ऐसे करके मारने पता है वो आंचल भी ऐसे करके पकड़ेगी ऐसे मारने वक्त तो उसमें कुछ पैसा 1-2 रुपया बांधा रहेगा, तुरंत आ जाएगा हाथ में. ऐसे करेगी तो ऐसे मोशन होके इधर से आंचल ऐसे आ गया, ऐसे पकड़ी यहाँ खोसी, देख क्या नीचे दबा. तो किलोवाट आवर एनर्जी ट्रांसफर. ओके, इट इज द यूनिट ऑफ एनर्जी एंड किलोवाट इज द यूनिट ऑफ पावर. दैट्स द ऑल डिफरेंस वी हैव. ओके, सो दिस इज 1 किलोवाट आवर. ओके, 1 घंटे में 1000 वॉट जो कंज्यूम करते हैं आप, तो उसे कहते हैं 1 यूनिट। अंडरस्टूड? तो आपका जो बिजली बिल आता है वो इस यूनिट में आता है, 1 किलोवाट और इज इक्वल टू, तो ये 1 किलोवाट, अब सिर्फ 1 किलोवाट इज इक्वल टू आप लिखेंगे 1000 वॉट। अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now here comes the things related to power. How can we derive the formula for power? Different formula for power. The first formula for power we have already done. Please focus here. Don't make noise. Okay. Power is equal to W by T. Okay. So W is equal to V I T. How can we get from this to this? See, we know in the long ago, in like 1800, we have studied W is equal to V is equal to W by Q. Potential PD is equal to W by L. दूरी पे तुम इसके देख रहा है कितना है? नहीं? V is equal to W by Q. Work done by charge. So Q is equal to IT. That you also know, because I is equal to Q by T. The rate at which energy is transferred is called power. So same as the rate at which charge is transferred is called current, electric current. इसको just to remember I am saying that. Okay. So as a, by the way, the flow rate of flow of charge is called current. अब rate का बात होता है, उसमें टाइम भी आएगा ना, कि किस टाइम में कितना चार्ज फ्लो किया, उसे करंट कहेंगे। समझे? From there you got this formula. Q is equal to IT, information technology, and V is equal to W by Q. Now, if you have W by Q here, V into W is equal to V into Q. So by putting the value of Q here, you will get VIT, Vellore Institute of Technology. Okay. Now, you just received W is equal to VIT, Vellore Institute of Technology. Now, can we move further? We have just taken the value of work done here in this equation. Okay, so VIT is equal to P into T. P is in multiplication form in that side, RHS side. When we will take to LHS side, what will happen? RHS side, LHS side. This is left hand side. So this one will be cancelled out. Time gone away. Now P is equal to VI. If you have the data in the form of voltage and the current, then you can find power by multiplying. Understood? Now can we move to the next formula which we can derive from this formula, from Ohm's law. Ohm's law, what we know, V is equal to IR. Okay, now put this V is equal to, at the place of V, P is equal to VI. Now put the value of V here, IR. Can we write? So what would be the another formula of power?
IR square.
P is equal to IR square.
Yes.
हाँ?
Yes.
यहाँ पे R कहाँ से आया, कोई बताएगा मुझे?
हमको भी नहीं पता चला।
ये थे।
मुझे थप्पड़ सो रहे हो क्लास में।
हमको
P
नहीं
is equal to लिखिए IR, तो यहाँ I ना बचेगा।
यस
Are you
सर।
sleeping?
नो सर,
No sir, तो मुझे चलिए यहाँ पे I ना बचेगा सर, R कहाँ से लिया है?
हम बोलने वाले थे पर आप तो गुरु है ना
अच्छा,
सर।
अब बता दिए तो बोलने वाले थे।
आप गुरु है ना सर, आपको क्या बोले?
अलग अलग ग्राफ था कुछ।
हम लोग तो सर आगे के
तो आप तो स्क्वायर बता दिए।
I स्क्वायर R। हम भी सोचे कि तो हम एक मल्टीपल क्वेश्चन अब सॉल्व करेंगे, उसमें है I R स्क्वायर। दैट इज द रॉन्ग ऑप्शन।
ऐसा क्वेश्चन था। अरे हम आज क्लास में भी देख रहे थे, तो मेरे को कुछ अलग दिखाई दे रहा है।
अलग दिखाई दे रही है ना? Okay, now next formula. Next formula of power, how can we derive? This is the second formula of power. Second
फॉर्मूला ऑफ
formula of power.
पावरफुल तो नहीं, कितना पावरफुल।
Now if you have current and resistance, then how can you find the power? By multiplying, like squaring the value of current and multiplying the resistance, you will get power. Now there is another formula. If you have VI, you can find power. If you have IR, you can find power. Now you have V or R, voltage and resistance, how will you find power? चलो
आप बताइए सर।
यस, वो तो हम बताएंगे। तो
VR।
जरा देखें कि हम इसको यहाँ पे जो अभी लिखे थे हम IR into IR, I यही है ना? ओके,
Yes,
अब
sir.
इसको बच्चा हम ऊपर नीचे R से इंटू कर दे। इफ वी मल्टीप्लाई न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बाय R, एनी प्रॉब्लम? Don't take all the oxygen here, okay? We also need oxygen. We are also breathing. Huh? So R by R. Can we do that? Can we multiply?
Yes, sir.
Numerator denominator by same thing. Huh? Basic mathematics. So this one can be written V, and this one can also be written V. So what will become?
P is equal to VR.
Formula. V square by.
क्या बोल दिए?
When you will have voltage and resistance, you will find power in such manner. Done. अब ये कटना था?
आज की बात करेंगे सर तो सब
चलो
सही।
पॉज कर लो। इफेक्ट ऑफ करंट क्या है टॉपिक?
हीटिंग इफेक्ट ऑफ करंट।
हीटिंग इफेक्ट, नॉट अफेक्ट।
इफेक्ट ही बोले सर। आई क्यू क्यू।
करंट। सो व्हाट इज हीटिंग इफेक्ट ऑफ करंट? बताए थे आज क्लास में?
कृपया बताइए फिर से।
ऐसे तो क्लास में उसकी गर्लफ्रेंड उसका ब्रेकअप हुआ तो वो मारा उसको, दुश्मनी हुआ बेचारा। ओके, तो वी विल, hey, don't take the name, you might have objection, don't take the name. Okay, so for example Khushi
यस सर।
and Ayushi, okay, both are best friend. Okay, now you know, due to some reason you are hating Ayushi a lot now and you want to literally kill her without, you know, getting into jail. How will you kill her? ये तो
नहीं नहीं
देख रहे हो, खतरनाक टीचर है ये। सीधा उसका मारने का प्लान बता रहा है ये भाई, वो भी जेल गए बिना। जहाँ देखो
हम बताए सर,
हाँ।
आयरन गरम करके रख देंगे।
इनको बताया पढ़ाया। ओके, see, so there is material that is metal that is known as nichrome. Okay, nichrome,
निक उसका नाम है।
NIC, nic, और CR,
प्रियंका
chrome.
चोपड़ा की हस्बैंड का।
Nichrome. It has the highest resistance, almost near to insulator, highest resistance. Okay, so when current pass through the highest resistance having material, then it obstructs its flow and generate a lot of heat. For example, you know that you have seen that bulb in the construction site.
यस सर।
It still exists, that tungsten filament bulb. So it was lighting the whole room after getting so much heat, and you know, for producing that heat, it was consuming a lot of power. Okay, so wastage of energy, a lot of wastage of energy. So we have invented CFL, and then you know, more kifaiti bulb, that is LED, light emitting diode. Now point is, how can we, so what is heat emitting? Have you seen, all of you have istri in your home?
यस सर।
लड़का लोग खुश हो गया था। Yes sir, I have istri in my home. Okay, तो istri means iron. istri तुम का लाना, वो वाला नहीं, गुदनी नहीं, iron. So in that iron there is also nichrome wire, and in heater, room heater or heater or heating element, all the heating element has nichrome wire. Okay, so heating effect is simply when an electric current is passed through a high resistance wire. When an electric current passes through high resistance wire, then there is a lot of heat is being produced, that is known as heating effect of current. Understood? Okay, now what will you do? Write W is equal to Q into V, as we have written here. You can see all are related to each other. That's why on one single board I am teaching you all of this one. so that you can understand and correlate all these things. These two topics are very similar, like related to each other. Understood? Now, what will you write? Q is equal to IT.
Yes,
You already you just written, and B is equal to IR. Can you write
Yes, sir.
IR? So what will you get? What will you get?
I कट जाएगा.
I square?
Huh?
No, it cannot be divided. It is in multiplication form. I square RT. Can we write like this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So now this W will equal to H. क्यों सर नहीं मानेंगे? कैसे मानेंगे? When I was in class, अभी तो ऊपर में W लिखा था, फिर पॉपुलर लिख दिया H, बिना कुछ बताए लिख दिया H. नहीं नहीं नहीं, देखो एक्सप्लेनेशन ये है, बोल बताता हूँ. ऐसे मैं हिंदी में ऐसे जान सकता हूँ, लेकिन यहाँ पे देखो ये लिखा हुआ है all the electrical work done or all the electrical energy consumed. All जैसे वो कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट पे जो आप बल्ब देखते हो, so all the electrical energy consumed by that bulb to glow their filament, all the electrical energy, it is ultimately converted into heat. So this work done, or which we call energy, right? Work done or energy, totally converted into heat produced. Understood? So now we can write W is equal to heat produced. Heat
Produced.
produced, उत्पन्न किया, क्या? तापमान. हाँ, तो heat produced, work done is equal to heat produced, or energy you can also say बच्चा, energy consumed, consumed. हाँ, ये दोनों तो सेम ही होते हैं.
Yes,
So
sir.
is equal to heat produced. Now we can write H is equal to I square
RT.
T. And if I can write I square RT, so only in this formula can we write I into, एक I इनसे निकाल लिए और एक I यहाँ छोड़ दिए और एक T यहाँ लिख दिए. Can we write like this? यहाँ पे दो I है ना, एक I इनको देके R दे दिए, ठीक है? ये वाला R और ये I को इधर रख दिया और T को इधर रख दिया. अब हम ओम्स लॉ से क्या जानते हैं? V is equal to IR जानते हैं?
Yes,
So
sir.
H is equal to V into I
IR.
into T. Can we write? VIT, Valley Institute of Technology. आप कहीं और भी मिले थे Valley Institute of Technology से?
Yes, sir. W.
W, same thing. It produced or work done. Okay. Again, what we can write? VI. Yeah, please come. VIT, Valley Institute of Technology. Got it? Okay. Got it. So now, what else we can write? VI can be written H is equal to P into T.
Yes.
Can we write like this?
कैसे?
हाँ. अब अगर हम कुछ और फॉर्म में लिखना चाहें तो अब P तो अंकल यहाँ पे आ ही गए और P का 3 फॉर्मूला अभी आपको बताए थे ना. This is the third formula.
Yes,
Third formula.
sir.
You remember? So if there is P uncle, हाँ,
E into Q भी कर सकते हैं. IT.
हाँ,
हाँ. कर सकते हैं.
कर सकते. नहीं, अब P अंकल जब यहाँ पे आ गए तो P अंकल को हम 3 पार्ट में काट के देख चुके हैं. हाँ, we have divided. We are knowing the 3 formulas of power. First formula of power is P is equal to VI uncle. हाँ,
Yes, sir. P is equal to I square R.
VI and P is equal to I square R and P is equal to V square
by
R.
R.
These are 3 formula. So at the place of P, all 3 can be written. So heat can be written in all these 3 forms. What's my main point? That come here, focus here. Heat is directly proportional to I square. Means current will increase, then heat will also increase. Heat produced will also increase. Current is also directly proportional to resistance. If the resistance of the wire is more or double, heat produced will be double. Okay. If it get half, the heat produced will also get half. Now H is directly proportional to T. Okay. So if the time duration of producing that heat will be increased, then heat produced will also be increased. So all are directly proportional. Now you understood
Yes.
the relation between heat produced, work done, energy, unit of power, and what will be the unit? What is heat produced? Energy? Correct. So power into T, kilowatt hour, kilowatt hour. Okay. Whatever will be the unit of energy work done, same it would be for heat. So अगर आपके एग्जाम में पूछ दे what would be the unit of heat produced, work done, energy, what will you write?
Energy.
Kilowatt hour, or smaller unit watt hour. Okay, किचन एरिया नहीं आ रहा है ना?